Hey, hello guys, welcome to Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Machine channel. So on the back you can see inside of the ball mill, the ball mill is separated into chambers by diaphragm. And then the diaphragm, you can see there's two diaphragm inside the ball mill, separate the ball mill into 3 chambers. And then on the diaphragm is consists of diaphragm liner. So on the diaphragm, our diaphragm is specially designed. So usually there are 4 types of diaphragm liner plates, and then one in the middle, one on the outer sections, and another on the outer edges. So adds up to 4 different types of diaphragms. And the diaphragm's function is able to keep the different size balls inside of their chamber. Make sure the different size balls does not mix to other chambers. And then also qualified powders or the qualified size product can move to another chamber through the diaphragm. So thank you guys. In our next video, I'll introduce about our other features about this ball mill.